Hi, I'm James Baker, founder of James Baker and Associates and international tax expert slash entrepreneur. And this clip you're about to see is from our last Ask Me Anything. If you want to ask me some questions, I come on live Wednesdays and Thursdays as much as I can. You can join with the link in the description below. I'd love to see you there, but let's get to the clip. Well, here's one. I'm selling books on Amazon with my foreign-owned single-member LLC. My country has no tax treaty, which means Amazon withholds 30% royalties on my sales in the U.S. market. Is there any way to reduce that to zero and claim back the withholdings from the past? So I've successfully done this. I didn't claim back all withholdings, but I've helped my clients file tax returns that claim they have a U.S. trade or business. So basically they pay tax at the graduated rates. So if you make 30,000, let's say you make $100,000, instead of you had 30,000 withheld, but your actual tax will be like 16. So you'll get like a $14,000 refund. So, we can still get some money back depending on your tax bracket. If you made $10 million, then you actually might owe money. So because the rates go up to 37%. But for most of my clients and people I've worked with, there's some money to get back. So if you have withholdings, we can probably potentially get some back. And to answer your original question, is there any way to get it to zero? It's by having a U.S. company. If you have a U.S. corporation or a U.S. partnership, you fill out a W-9 and Amazon stops withholding. This gets you into a gray area where you kind of have, if you have a multi-member LLC and this isn't being withheld, technically, I believe you would potentially be subject to paying some of these taxes. However, depending on the scale and your risk tolerance, it can be done in a number of different ways. What I have some people I've worked with who have done in the past will open a corporation and then they'll pay themselves, fees, they'll pay themselves commissions, they'll pay themselves professional fees for their services rendered to the corporation. So that if you get royalties of 100,000, you pay yourself 97,000, you're only paying income tax on 3,000 that's left in the company. So there's different ways to organize this correctly, legally, and manipulate it so that you are paying way less than 30%. So there's ways to do it depending on your scale and how much you're selling and stuff. These might make good options. I hope you're selling a lot. Reach out to us if you have this issue and we can help you get it fixed right away. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I want to share some things I have to offer you. If you're looking for help expanding to the U.S. or fixing a tax problem, the quickest way to contact us is to schedule a free call in the description below or at visiting jamesbakercpa.com/schedule. If you want to skip the line and speak with me directly, there's also a link in the description to schedule a call with me, which is another great option. I encourage you to join our Telegram and Discord groups because in there we're announcing when I'm going live, I'm participating, I'm answering questions in real time. It's all free, and it's a quick community to engage with other entrepreneurs and people like yourself who are international and learning about this stuff. And I think it's a really valuable place to be in. At the end of the day, if you just subscribe and see me on the next video, that works too. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.